Did you know? By 2025, an alarming 80% of organizations trying to scale their business will face failure unless they adopt a modern approach to data governance. But why is data governance so crucial? Here are 5 compelling reasons why good data governance positions you ahead of the competition. Reason number 1. Good data governance gives you good data lineage, so your team knows where your data is from, how it's changed, and where it's going. This means your data stays accurate and consistent. Reason number 2. Without good data governance, your company is doomed to data silos. This limits your team's ability to access data when they need it most. Good data governance gets rid of these data silos, and it empowers your team to make data-driven decisions from anywhere. Reason number 3. Remember when privacy laws were a thing? Well, they still exist, but data governance ensures they are followed. That means you can continue to preserve the data privacy of your customers and employees, and maintain your good reputation. Reason number 4. Good data governance means good data quality. It gives your team access to the most accurate information to make more informed business decisions. This leads to stronger relationships with your customers. Reason number 5. Good data governance leads to better access management. Getting the right information in the right place, at the right time, and keeping it out of harm's way in the process. You deserve data governance that moves you ahead of the competition and keeps you there. That's where we can help. Take the next step with Prolifics. Visit prolifics.com or email solutions@prolifics.com today.